This just happens to be the street that we're on, but we're gonna be walking down this way, then we're gonna go down that way. And this is Sao Lourenco, and it looks like today it's closed, but this is gonna be our starting point before we continue on. There it is right there, Sao Lourenco.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Sao Lourenco. So let's kind of walk down. Before we even go down this way, let's just kind of show you something real quick. So this area right here is, that right there goes to Avenida de Praia, which is where Namban Lake is at. There's a lake right there. And so it's actually like 1 block away from the lake. It's governor's house right there. So I think that's all like kind of historical stuff. And this would have been historical too, that was here. Later, I think later we'll see a sign for it. But this is just the beginning of this street. But it's not, the focus isn't this church. But we might put it in the title though. Let's see. St. Lawrence's Church, Sao Lourenco, 1560. So that's been around a long time. Okay, so before the development of Praia Grande Bay, so that we're looking at over there is Praia Grande Bay, and had a direct view of the riverside and families of Portuguese sailors, so they would sit on this church and be able to look down. So now there's all these buildings but before you could just look down into the ocean and see everything from that spot. And this is called Rua de Sa. That's cool. So it's actually the name of the same church. So there's a street right there, Rua de Sa. So we're gonna walk down Rua de Sa and check it all out. Yeah, some pretty cool buildings here. So that kind of a tall building right there, straight ahead. So we're gonna kind of walk through here a little bit, check out some of the stuff here. There's a kind of a cool building right there. It's all kind of Art Deco kind of looking stuff, and then there's like a corner Thai kitchen right there. Looks like it's closed today on Sunday. Let's see if we can get across here. Patio de Casa Fuerte, a little patio right here. And you also got this, you can also see the backside of this church right here. There's a cool building right there. And there's Sao Lourenco right there. And a bus stop right underneath it. Looks like somebody's bus is coming. She just stood up and there's the bus. It's going to go a little bit further. Got a 7-Eleven right here. This kind of cool looking, kind of Art Deco, greenish building. Coffee shop below it. It's pretty cool as well. You got a McDonald's right there as well. It looks like that might be the end of the street. It's George Chinnery Street. And then here's Rua de Ignacia Baptista. Pretty cool looking place. So that might be another focus altogether. And you got M Food right there. Now we're gonna come back and kind of focus on how cool this street is. So that's that church right there, Sao Lourenco, and this is a little Rua de Sa. Kind of cool looking right there too. Nice rooftop. Okay.